Good morning. In today's video I'm going to do this problem. Suppose that secant x plus tangent x equal to 22 over 7. Secant x is equal to 1 over cosine x, okay? And also we have cosecant x plus cotangent x equal to m over n. Cosecant x equal to 1 over sine x, okay? Where is m over n is lowest terms. Find m plus n, okay? This is problem from Emil of 1991, American mathematical competition, okay? By the way, in order to calculate this one, I'm going to prove this one first because this one is a part of problem, okay? I want to show this both identities before I go to the main goal, okay? So let's start with the first identity. So we have cosine x. So cosine x equal to 2 times cosine square x over 2 minus 1, okay? As you know, cosine x over 2 equal to 1 over tangent square x over 2 plus 1, okay? Minus 1. So we have this one, cosine square x equal to 1 over tangent square x plus 1, okay? So this one, by calculating this one, we will have 2 minus tangent square x over 2 minus 1, okay? Over tangent square x over, so this one equal 1 minus tangent square x over 2 over 1 plus tangent square x over 2, okay? So I proved cosine x equal to this one, okay? But I need 1 plus cosine x over sine x, okay? 1 plus 1 minus tangent square x over 2 over 1 plus tangent square x over 2, okay? I just brought this one here and adding number 1 and cosine x, okay? So this one, 1 plus cosine x equal to 1 plus tangent square x over 2 plus 1 minus tangent square x over 2 over 1 plus tangent square x over 2, okay? So this one, 1 plus cosine x equal to this one, tangent square x over 2 will be cancelled out because there is one positive, the other one is negative. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2 over 1 plus tangent square x over 2, okay? I'm going to calculate 1 over sine x, okay? So this one. So now, for the sine x, we know sine x equals 2 times sine x over 2 multiplied by cosine x over 2, okay? Sine x is always cosine x multiplied by tangent x, okay? Which is 2 cosine x over 2 multiplied by this cosine x over 2, which is cosine square x over 2 multiplied by tangent x over 2, okay? By the way, 2 cosine square x over 2 will equal to 1 over 1 plus tangent square, okay? So this one equal to tangent x over 2 over 1 plus tangent square x over 2, okay? So I proved sine x equal to 2 tangent x over 2 over 1 plus tangent square x over 2, okay? So I'm going to put 1 plus cosine x over sine x to see what's the result, okay? Equal to 2 times tangent x over 2 over 1 plus tangent square x over 2, okay? So 1 plus cosine x over sine x equal to this one that I have before. So I have this one. I just proved it was 2 times over 1 plus tangent square x over 2 over 2 times tangent x over 2 over 1 plus tangent square x over 2. So 1 plus tangent square over 2 will be cancelled out with 1 plus tangent square x over 2. So I will have just 2 and will be cancelled out. Number 2 will be cancelled out with number 2. So I will have 1 over tangent x. I will have 1 over tangent x over 2. Okay. So finally, 1 plus cosine x over sine x equal to 1 over tangent x over 2. Okay. So now my identity is verified. Now I'm going to, in this second step, I'm going to prove 1 plus sine x over cosine x equal to 1 plus tangent x over 2 over 1 minus tangent x over 2. Okay. So we already proved sine x equal to 2 times tangent x over 2 over 1 plus tangent square x over 2. Okay. I'm just adding number 1 on sine x. So 1 plus sine x equal to 1 plus 2 times tangent x over 2 over 1 plus tangent square x over 2. So this one is giving us 1 plus tangent square x over 2 plus 2 times x over 2 over 1 plus tangent square x over 2. Okay. So 1 plus sine x. So what is this? Tangent square x over 2 plus 2 times tangent x over 2 plus 1. This is identity tangent x over 2 plus 1. Okay. So this one equal to tangent x over 2 plus 1 quantity square. Okay. Over 1 plus tangent square x over 2. Okay. I'm going to divide 1 plus sine x by cosine x to see what's the result. Okay. Also, we know cosine x equal to 1 minus tangent square x over 2 over 1 plus tangent square x over 2. We already proved this one. So now I'm doing 1. So now 1 plus sine x divided by cosine x. So now 1 plus sine x over cosine x equal to tangent x squared plus 1 quantity over 1 plus tangent square x over 2. Okay. Dividing by this term, 1 minus tangent square x over 2 over 1 plus tangent square x over 2. This one will be cancelled out, 1 plus tangent square x over 2 with this one. So I will have just this one. So tangent x over 2 plus 1 quantity over 1 minus tangent square x over 2. Okay. So 1 plus sine x over cosine x equal to 1 plus tangent x quantity square over, I'm going to factor this one. So 1 minus tangent x over 2 multiplied by 1 plus tangent x over 2. So one of the 1 plus tangent x over 2, it will be cancelled out because denominator has 1 plus tangent x over 2 quinary squared. In the bottom one we have 1 minus tangent x over 2 multiplied by 1 plus tangent x over 2. Okay? So I will have 1 plus tangent x over 2 divided by 1 minus tangent x over 2. Okay? Now my identity is verified. Now in this third step, secant x plus tangent x equal to 22 over 7, secant x equal to 1 over cosine x. Okay, so this one so equivalent 1 over cosine x. Okay, tangent x equal to sine x over cosine x. Okay, I have a common denominator, cosine x, so I have 1 plus sine x. Okay, so secant x plus tangent x equal to this one, 1 plus sine x over cosine x equal to, I already proved it, so it was 1 plus tangent x over 2, so 1 plus tangent x over 2 over 1 minus tangent x over 2 equal to 22 over 7. Okay, so I'm going to keep this one. So as you know, I'm going to do the substitution. So let's put tangent x over 2 equal to t. So my equality becomes sec x plus tangent x equal to 1 plus t over 1 minus t equal to 22 over 7. Okay, so I have this one. I'm going to calculate the second one. Plus cotangent x. Cosecant x is 1 over sine x. Okay, plus cotangent x, which is cosine x over sine x, because tangent x equal to sine x, because cotangent x equal to sine x over cosine x. Okay, so this one equal to m over n. As you know, so I'm going to put sine x as a common factor. I'm going to put sine x as a common denominator. So I will have cosecant x plus cotangent x equal to 1 plus cosine x over sine x. As you know, 1 plus cosine x over sine x, I already proved it, which was 1 over tangent x over 2. Okay, so 1 over tangent x over 2 equal to m over n. Okay, now I have the second equation. Also, by substitution, I already put tangent x over 2 equal to t. Cosecant x plus cotangent x equal to 1 over t equal to 1. So cosecant x plus cotangent x equal to 1 over t equal to m over n. Okay, now I have my second equation. This is first equation, this is second equation. Okay, I will replace the second equation into the first equation. I have 1 over t equal to m over n, so that's mean t equal to n over n. As you see here, we found t equal to m over n. I have also in the second equation 1 plus t over 1 minus t equal to 222 over 7. So I'm going to replace the first equation into the second equation. So I will have 1 plus m over n over 1 minus m over n, okay, equal to 22 over 7, okay. So this one is giving us n multiplied by n, this one multiply n by 1, which is n plus m over n over n minus m over n. N will be cancelled out, okay. So now I will have n plus m over n minus m equal to 22 over 7, okay. So I'm going to multiply this term by this term, this term by this term. So now I have 7 multiplied by n plus m equal to 22 multiplied by n minus n, okay. Equivalent 7n plus 7m plus 22 equal to 29n equal to 15n, okay. So now, so I have 29m equal to 15n, okay. So I have m over n equal to 15 over 29. The question is find m plus n. M equal to 15, n equal to 29. So that's mean m plus n equal to 15 plus 29, okay, equal to 44. So m plus n equal to 44, okay. This is a good place where I can stop. Thank you for watching. I will see you in next video. Bye.